Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the concept of a lack and limitation mindset. It's a thought pattern that focuses on scarcity, fear, self-doubt, often holding us back from pursuing our dreams and achieving our true potential. Now, to overcome this mindset, we have to start by acknowledging our inherent worth and abilities. You gotta believe in yourself, believe in your capacity to grow. Know that it's crucial to challenge your negative beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations. Now, a positive exercise is to list your strengths and accomplishments. This provides tangible proof of your capabilities. Next, you're going to want to shift your focus from what you perceive you lack to the abundance of opportunities that are all around you. Embrace a growth mindset where challenges are seen as opportunities to learn and grow rather than insurmountable obstacles. Now, remember, it's also about setting realistic yet ambitious goals. Visualize your success and take consistent action to make it a reality. Surround yourself with positive influences that uplift you and challenge you and help you see beyond your self-imposed limitations. Now, finally, be patient with yourself. Changing a mindset doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. But with resilience, positivity, and, the right tools, you can certainly break free from the mindset of lack and limitations and create, a fulfilling life of abundance and success. I want to thank you for joining me on this conversation. And until next time, I'm Lee Jenkins.